We're going to be replacing this shift boot for a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. It's pretty beat up. It's actually got a few holes in it now, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. There's a few things you need to know when you're doing that. And there's two sets of clips on the bottom side of the trim piece. One set of clips is for the outer ring that holds the shift boot down, and then the inner set of clips is for the inner ring that the shift boot mounts onto. And when you're removing both of these, you're going to want to do it corner by corner. Don't try to remove it on the sides, because you'll most likely end up breaking your clips. I actually ended up breaking 2 clips by forgetting that rule and doing that later in this video. But do what I'm doing here and push on the corners to pop the trim pieces up. There, I got the outer ring up. Now I'm going to get the inner ring unclipped as well, and then I'll detach the shift boot. Now that the shift boot's free, it's actually adhesive to this plastic trim piece, and all you have to do is go around and peel that up all the way around. It's not too strong, so you shouldn't break anything, but just be careful when you're doing that. Alright, now that I've got the boot off, we're going to go ahead and put the trim pieces to the side, and we're going to take our new boot and get it set up to install. Here's the new shift boot. This is from my company Slammed Shiftboots. Links are in the description. Please support it. But this is a gray suede with a light blue metallic stitching. It's actually exact fit for this Genesis, so we're just gonna pop it on there and put the clips through the holes, and it should be pretty simple. Now that we've got it on the trim piece, we're going to put the shift boot on before we put that outer trim piece on. That outer trim piece is going to help hold everything in place. It goes over top. And there we have it, shift boots installed and looking a whole lot better. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Definitely check out my company Slammed Shiftboots. Have a good one. Peace.